Hi everybody, today we are going to be using multiple representation to represent a word problem situation. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, we are looking at a temperature scale conversion. And the description is, to find the temperature of degrees Fahrenheit, you must multiply the degrees Celsius by 1 8/10 and then add 32. So Fahrenheit is equal to 1 8/10 times the degrees Celsius plus 32. So our equation in slope-intercept form would be y equals 1 8/10 times x plus 32. So let's do that. 1 8/10 times 0 plus 32. And since any number times 0 is 0, the answer is going to be 32. And 1 8/10 times 20 plus 32 is 68. 1 8/10 times 40 plus 32 is going to give us 104. 1 8/10 times 60 plus 32 is going to give us 140. And then 1 8/10 times 80 plus 32 will give us 176. And the last one, 1 8/10 times 100 is 180 plus 32 will give us, and we need to make that a little bit bigger, will give us 212. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the graphing. So the graphing part, we're going to take the Celsius degrees as our x values and the degrees Fahrenheit as our y values. So let's grab these red dots over here, and we're going to drag them and drop them. So 0 for the degrees Celsius, up 32 for the degrees Fahrenheit. Now this is just going to be an estimate because obviously we can't get those little itty bitty points in between, and it's just going to be a fraction of a movement there that's going to make it look even better. So let's head down. We're going to do 20 now, up 68. So 68 is close to 70, so it's almost halfway. And then 40 at 104. 40 at 104, so it's going to be just above 100. All right, and then it's going to be 60 at 140, which is exactly on the crisscross of the line. And then we have 80 at 176, so we're going to head all the way up on 80 to about 176, which is just below the 180 mark. And then finally, the last one is 100 at 212. Now notice how it stops at 200, but just above the 200 is about where 212 would be. And as you can see, it does look like a linear representation, which is a straight line. And notice how it starts at 32. So that representation looks a little bit different than if it was to start at 0, 0. All right, guys, have a great day.